And to wrap up today's spotlight is Dave Erasmus, a storyteller empowering us to listen deeply to the ocean. So for this final spotlight, we've invited you to step into a sensory state. Dave believes that to protect, we must care, to care, we must connect, and for that, we must listen.
We are now listening to the sound of a healthy coral reef. And this is a degraded one. Come with me now as we sink deeper into these waters together all around the world. Sound is the most constructive force in our atmosphere. Underwater, it is the primary sense. And like the rich tapestry of birdsong we hear in the trees, we get that same sense under the water, a rich cacophony of sound with the corals at dusk. Sound travels up to 5 times faster in water than it can in the air. Snapping shrimp can be heard up to 8 miles away. It's a hustling and bustling place when these habitats are healthy. Listen again to that healthy reef recorded by Mary Shadipo in the Philippines. Can you hear those chirps and grunts? And compare it to this, the degraded reef. Not the stillness of nature, but eerily quiet. Ghost town. And even though we are experiencing this coral-killing global heat wave, there are sounds of hope if we have the ears to hear them. Experimental research is showing that not only can we call fish back into the reefs by playing the sound of healthy reefs, but we can actually call back the coral larvae themselves to settle at unprecedented rates, many times faster than normal, through playing acoustic enrichment. And on the way to this room today, my wife and I stopped in a hope spot to talk with the fishermen, the divers, and the young people on the island of Bequia to know what the waters mean to them and to put the tools for listening into their hands for the first time. And here we'll play the first sounds from that hope spot recorded at Bequia. Just 2 hours ago, I put these sounds in the hands of a marine ecologist who will help us and our machines to know which fish these sounds belong to, or whether they're entirely brand new sounds that have never been recorded before. The hydrophone we recorded it on is now safely in the hands of young Kai and Sarah, who we met on the way, and we look forward to supporting them in their next listening mission with both our human and machine insights. But it's not just Bequia. It's just one of 160 hope spots around our world that still hold some of our pristine global ocean song. And we need your help to listen to the other 159 spots. If we don't listen, we can't connect. If we don't connect, we won't care, and we definitely won't protect. At Acoustics, we want to help forage sonic data that we can trust, that can move us to work with coastal communities to push back on the forces that seek to encroach on the space that we together want to help sonically protect. If we want to move from just 1% to 50% of properly protected marine space, we need to awaken new depths of connection. We need to be able to sense the ocean even when we're not near it. And so today I'm proud to say that we're partnering with hundreds of marine ecologists around the world, taking the second annual snapshot of our global ocean through the WAPAM project, and they need your help to capture more sounds. And as we come back to the surface, I ask, will you listen to your sound of hope? Professor Steve Simpson, world-leading marine acoustician, says the coral reefs are the first ecosystem that we might lose. But that means that they're the first ones we can save. And if we can save them, then we can save anything. So will you sing with the sound of hope as it rises? Will we allow the finances to flow to the right places to rewild our seas? And will you join the global listening collective with partners like the World Surf League and the Finisterre Foundation to listen for the sound of hope? Thank you.